what's going on, guys? It's Professor NFT here. So before I get started, this is non-financial advice and you should always do your own research. So I got some upcoming projects for you guys. First one, of course, is Yaku Corp. So they actually have their demo out, and let me just say, it looks insane. Look at this. Look at the quality of that. It's insane, you guys. And you see you get to decorate the walls even with your NFTs. But let's go ahead and start telling you about this project. So they're minting on February 15. They were supposed to mint this week, I think, but they pushed it back because I think it was Magic Eden that stalled their launch pad. So they pushed it back to February 15. So they're early adopters of new decentralized blockchain-based tools, and they want to be a major player in the metaverse. So how they're going to do that is through a cyberpunk universe. So they're huge fans of Japan and cyberpunk universe. They're influenced by Japanese anime and manga masterpieces such as Death Note, Tokyo Ghoul, and of course we all know Dragon Ball Z. So they want to create their own universe in a cyberpunk world with the finest Japanese legends and geeks winks. So let's go ahead here. You see they're going to have the insane cyberpunk motors, so they're motorcycles as well, through Yaku engineering, fitted to your Yaku X avatar. Let your avatar hold this monster and play in the first and craziest motorcycle championship in the metaverse. So we know now they're going to try to build a racing game as well. It is going to be a play to earn. So what's also dope, what I loved, was the amazing playable avatars. We already saw in the demo how dope it looks, how the character looks insane. But what's more crazy, you're going to be able to decorate your own avatar. You're going to be able to change his clothes, change his shoes, probably change even his mask. And you're going to be able to add on some cyberpunk degen attributes as well. There's three different types: human, Shigami, and robot. And of course, they are going to be playable in every metaverse. So we already know as well, the Yakushima DAO, you mint an NFT and you're a shareholder. So let's go ahead and look at the roadmap now. So first thing, Q1, the mint of the motorcycles, playable in the metaverse, and like I said earlier, the play to earn game, mint of Capsule X pods in the Yaku Tower. So that's actually I don't think I even showed you. Capsule X, your home in the metaverse. So you could reserve your property in the metaverse, store your motors in it, and an open map where all DAO could buy land and have their tower. How cool is that, you guys? Let's continue. And then you're going to be able to mint your avatars of Yaku X. Q2, we see launch land sales, launch metaverse shop, Yaku store. The metaverse shop, of course, is where you're going to buy your shoes, your clothes, your accessories, and of course, casino, some gambling fun for you guys as well. And then Q3, we see here open Yakuverse map. So possibility to go downtown and discover the whole map. So like the cyberpunk game, pretty much. The development of a play to earn game, the racing game we were talking about earlier, sort of like they're going to try to make it sort of like Mario Kart, and the launch of their token. So they use the best technologies. And let me go ahead and show you more of the demo. So I actually like this project as well because their mint price. Let me show you their mint price real fast, you guys. It's mind blowing. 0.5 SOL, and supplies around 7,000. Let me be sure here for you guys. FAQ. Yes, 7,005. You know how insane this is gonna go? Just because the mint price is so low, it's at 0.5 for this quality of an NFT. Like, come on. So go ahead, you guys, check it out. It comes out the 15th of February. And let me go ahead and tell you more. Let me tell you about more upcoming NFTs that are coming out. So this one's gonna be real super early, mostly heads. They actually, I think yesterday is when they released, or today. I actually was able to get into Discord. The Discord is closed, but just check that art, man. It's badass. I love it. So they actually got 8K followers in a day. So that's super crazy. They're followed by some big Solana influencers as well. And here's a little, I wouldn't say alpha, here's a little risky play for you guys as well. BBC, they're actually minting tomorrow. 500 BB chimps making their way into the Solana blockchain. I got offered a whitelist spot for this, so I'm gonna try to mint. The mint price is at 0.5. Just keep your eyes on this one. They're actually launching through Monkey Labs, so go ahead and check this out, you guys, as well. And that's all for me. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, you guys, and you guys have a great one. I'll be posting more content. Join the Discord. I'm gonna be doing alpha calls as well daily. You guys have a great one, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.